Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful interesting hairstyles. So first tie the hairs like this, divide it from the between and rotate it. Fold it upward and fix it to make the bun, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides in small section and join them by rolling it inside the clips. Fix it as shown in the video. Now follow the same step a few more times, and after that we will make the plaits on the all hairs as shown in the video. Divide it like this and then make the plaits on both the sides. Pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit as we are doing in this video. Follow the same process for the other side as well. After that, fix them upward and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now take small section of the hairs and then roll it upward and fix it one by one. Now again take small sections, fix it upward. Now add the right side, make the plaits on all the hairs, pull out the hairs little bit like this one by one. Fix it by rolling it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Roll it upward and then fix this bun pin on the downside. Tie it from the bottom as shown. Now roll it down and fix it to make the bun using this bun clip, and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back using the rubber band. Now after that, we will rotate the hairs. After you are done with the rotation, we will take another section of the hairs and then follow the same process for few more times. Tie the hairs all together, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fold it like this and tie the knot using the rubber band. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts like this and then make the plaits as shown in the video. Now roll it upward and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs using the rubber band like this. After tying the hairs, roll it upward and fix the hair clips. Now divide the hairs into three parts. Roll each section like this and fix it inside the clips one by one. Now roll it like this and fix it. After that, we will take the hairs from all the sides, fix them on the alternative side like this. Now tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it using the hair clip, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix it in the halfway like this using the rubber band. Now roll it down, tie it from the bottom. Now after tying it like this, tie all the hairs together. After tying it, we will fix the hair clutch and you're ready. Next, tie the hairs like this on the back. Now take the hairs from the alternative sides, fix it on the right side. Now make the plaits on all the hairs in the same manner shown. Now fold it upward and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.